Hey, it's Corporal Woodhull, and I've got the DOM Plura. This is a pretty difficult lock. A lot of people have debated. Let's get those marks on my fingers from that thing over here. But get distracted. So this is the DOM. Sorry, what was this? The DOM Plura. Yes. So the this has been highly debated, whether this should be a blue belt lock or not, and I'm sure that gives a headache to the staff or moderation team for LPU. But yeah, I just wanted to give my 2 cents into it. I haven't been around forever. I picked my fair share of blue belt locks, and I've tried a bit on this, and I haven't got it open yet. Uh, that being said, I don't really know um, yet, so I guess I just have to pick it and see how it goes from there. I just got this yesterday, along with some awesome locks from JD. So here's the bidding, which is not that bad looking, but I would have thought I would have picked this open pretty easily. Thought wrong. So I will try to get this to go. I had a pick set aside for this that I found. Since it's a very paracentric keyway. Well, not really. I mean, it's quite. I don't know how to say it. The wording's very intimidating looking, but it's not as paracentric as you think it is. As long as you have something thin enough, then you should be able to get on top of these pins and pick it. So I do have it in the device here to be picked Euro style. So that's the way we'll do it. I don't know what tensioner I used. I'm sorry. I've been kind of juggling locks here. So let's try this. Well, I guess we could go bottom of the keyway over picking it that way. Something nice and thin like this. Yeah, that'll work. And yeah, we'll just try to was 5 and 6. Down 1. It was a little bit on 2. 4. Back to 5. Back to 6. Nothing. This is a southward, by the way. I don't know what thickness this is, but it seemed to work perfect. I think that was 6 again. 1 or 2. It was 3. Let's come back to 1 and 2. 3 again. 4. Looks like I'm not showing you what I'm doing here. I didn't hear anything drop. I know there are a lot of locks out there that don't do well at all with bottom of the keyway. Some are, I think, designed not to be picked from that position. It could be me. Okay, it seems like we're getting more feedback here doing it this way. So this is using top of the keyway, technically bottom of the keyway, but it's working. I think it was 1 and 2, and I have definitely bent this pick pretty bad. I'm showing you the wording, but to me it would actually be right here. So yeah, I'm kind of picking an angle that's not ideal. That's one thing about picking on camera that I don't think I'll ever get used to. I don't know how many times I said, oh yeah, pick this lock, but oh, did you get on camera? No. It's because I can't see what I'm doing. Half the time, just seeing that you're in the, you're not picking the warding is a big part. Pretty big part. I try to look through my camcorder screen, and it's just, the screen is horrible. It records in 1080p, but the screen that comes with it is not. Alright, something's hung up here. There was definitely one. It was, oh no, this guy, that's what I said, it was set, and I'm trying to fiddle with this. Alright, not cool. I guess I could go ahead and try it. North American style. And yes, I checked out a couple of videos, and I have this set aside here. I don't know what I had set aside. It was, oh yeah, something to protect the bottom of that. So I don't think it's too hard to fathom that I checked out an LPO video. He had something there to protect the bottom, so this is not for tensioning in any way. So let's look for something to tension with here. Yep, that'll work. I'm just gonna put my thumb on that, and remember, I could have paused this or stopped this video and started all over to make it look like I didn't start picking this, but I want to be very honest. Usually try to be as much as I can. Unless it's like some big pick that took me like multiple hours to pick, and it's, you don't want to see two days worth of footage of me picking. So that's definitely said. All right, so that tensioner is out of the equation. Where's that tensioner at? You know what? I bet this will work. Or actually, I was using that. Was I using it upside down? Sure. definitely bent that pick. So, not sure if we got any rotation on there or not. It seemed like it does, but there was a little bit of play. There's a little bit of play on that core anyway, so. Got another pick. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Where can we go from here? So we have plenty of standards. Alright. Let's spin the standard. Well, and actually, I didn't think about that. These do have, I believe, T-pins in these locks, which makes them quite difficult. They bind up in the around that shear line. So actually, it might not be. Well, I don't know if I could use this as a. No, I couldn't use it as a counter, could I? It's definitely a different sort of feel to this. Picking this. Start over. A little rotation on the core there, so that's good, I think. Today's Sunday. No idea. Let's see here. I feel like we're making some sort of progress. Then my pick back on you. There we go. Feels like a SFIC. That's what it feels like. Oddly enough, I was trying to figure out what it feels like. I was going to say, forget what I was gonna say, but yeah, SFIC definitely feels like you're working one of those. All that crunchiness and sort of uncertainty of where you're at on the lock. So yeah, that's it's definitely a different feel. I think we maybe overset. I think it's the first time I overset this lock. I think I easily get hung up on those T-pins there. Definitely yeah, this is a difficult lock. I mean, at least I know where I'm at with a 1100 or something. Wow, with this, it's just it's uncertainty. There we go. There goes that protection. Yeah, this is like nothing dropping at all. It gives a lot of perspective. Just trying to stuff clicking on that. Okay, well, don't be too harsh on me. This is my first time after all. We'll try it just once more. Something with a little bit more comfort to it. Alright, according to lockpick and lower, these things like heavy tension. So I'm afraid I'm on a binder, or if I'm on the warden. That's the thing that terrifies me. Okay, definitely a binder. Definitely a bender. This is a pick eater. I'm picking with the back end of my pick right now. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to pick off the warding here. We'll give us a little bit more leverage. Click on that. Well, there you are. I don't know how long that was, but let's speak really quick about this because my gutting process tends to be a lot longer than the pick itself. Yeah, I would say that was pretty difficult. I wouldn't. Yeah, I'm not the authority on saying what rank is what. I'd say that's definitely an upper blue belt. I pick purple belts easier. I don't know. So, oops, frame here. Bump into this camera. I don't think it's going to come out that easy. Where we at here? We are going to need there's so much better. There's a better set of these. Please get those. They're sprung. These are horrible. And they just came apart. Let's try to get underneath of it. That seems to work. Actually, I thought it was one of those really strong ones. I'm going to spin that back on there. So I just locked it back up. That's great. I've got the key though, so. Alright, we're going to need the hollow ones. Probably this small one. Oh. Alright. That clip groove is pretty deep, so I'm going to use some shim here. Interested in seeing what's in here. I didn't even look how to gut this or what's inside. There we go. Alright. So I guess we want to use that small one. There we go. Just got some copper or brass and steel, I don't know. So let's keep this quick. Oh, that's different. Torpedo pin. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's the second one. Third one, I'm sorry. So it looks like these steel pins are standard and the brass are probably torpedo-like. Yeah. That's pretty cool. First time picking these. That was a difficult pick. It was different. Again, couldn't say whether it's worthy of purple or blue or I've been picking so many locks, I don't know. it's definitely interesting to be able to get this on camera. I got this yesterday. I'm not sure if I said that. What's some other locks? Whoa, that is one long spool. That's a spool. So that's number 1, right? Yeah. Some springs on these. Oh no, we want it the way it came out. Come on. Barrel, or yeah, we'll get the springs last. Springs should be all to be the same there. So yeah, I tried a little bit yesterday to pick at this, and this morning I've been trying to I was trying to get the Saturn open. Tried for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I went after this pick, this lock, should I say. So so this is really the first time I focused on the Plura. And I'm sorry, there's the shell here. Yes, there is. Yeah, there's milling inside of that. It's interesting. And all of the no, I could be wrong, but that's what it's looking like. I hope you can see that. It could just be the way it looks, or maybe there is milling. I did try to run a pick through there, and I'm not sure if I'm feeling anything, like threading, or maybe I do. I don't know. A board student would definitely be somebody to consult with this lock. Yeah, there's that. Let's get a close up. So yeah, pretty cool pins. I believe those would be barrels. Hope I'm right. So that'd be a barrel, spool, barrel, spool. And with the standard pins, we have just a regular spool there, and the rest torpedo pins. So, I mean, as far as the debate goes, again, with the Plura being blue or purple or what have you, this is the amount of time I truly concentrated on this lock. Definitely bent a few picks here, so take that as you will. That's it. Take care.